Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how to connect your payment terminal to the Slimrate system. First, make sure your payment terminal is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your tablet. If you run into any issues, don't worry, just keep watching. We'll walk you through the setup process step by step. Take your tablet and open the Slimrate POS app. In the lower left corner, find the button with 3 lines and tap it to open the main menu. In the menu, select Settings. Next, find Payment Terminal in the list and tap it. If everything is set up correctly, available terminals will appear on the screen right away. If your terminal doesn't show up, tap Find Local Devices on the right and the system will start searching again. When your terminal appears on the screen, just tap it to connect. If it doesn't work the first time or you see an error, don't worry, just try again. That's it! Your payment terminal is now connected to your Slimrate tablet and ready to use. If your terminal isn't working or isn't connected, look for the Try to Fix It button in the bottom right corner. Just follow the on-screen instructions to solve the issue. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment or reach out to our support team.